dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Reality Letters GC, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us. If today is the first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. The headlines: Ganduje told Okpebholo that he should not waste his time fighting Governor Ganduje. My problem is wow. Moving on after this, we have petitioners queried Governor Ganduje's silence on multi-billion naira Edo investment. But guys, before we bring this gist to you, I would like to welcome our subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. So guys, let's proceed to the main gist. The National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje, urged Edo Governor-elect Senator Okpebholo to focus on governance and quit trying to, pick a quarrel with the outgoing governor, Ganduje. Ganduje made this appeal when he received a delegation of Edo APC led by the former lawmaker who came to the party secretariat in Abuja on a thank you visit. My people, you guys can remember the Independent National Electoral Commission declared Senator Okpebholo as the winner of the keenly contested poll in Edo State. Okpebholo pulled out 291,667 votes to defeat his closest rival, Okpebholo of the People Democratic Party, who secured 247,274 votes, with Labour Party Olumide Akpata coming third with a range margin of 22,763 votes. My people, but in the past few months now, Okpebholo has been at loggerhead with the outgoing administration, whose officials he has repeatedly accused of embarking on a looting spree. But Abdullahi Ganduje has warned that a progressive government should not waste time engaging in unnecessary fights with his or her predecessor. So the APC National Chairman therefore encouraged the incoming governor, Senator Okpebholo, to instead focus on delivering the promises he made to the people of Edo State in the manifesto he painstakingly campaigned with. My people, that is what wow. Ganduje don't want Senator Okpebholo say make him no focus on the previous administration, rather make him look forward. That he should not ever try to look back and waste his time fighting the person he took over from, because there is no need. The progressive government does not have time for that. I follow it so all out. So he should focus on the manifesto he painstakingly produced, follow it to the letter with the socio-economic development of the people. He should build bridges and establish good relationship with the stakeholders. He should think forward and be an action governor. Ganduje said when Senator Okpebholo was campaigning that he was an action candidate, and now he has won. He's still an action governor. And they all believe that. And now, they also believe that Senator Okpebholo will succeed and make the people of their winning state proud. The party is ready to assist him in any way, according to Ganduje. But he said Senator Okpebholo must ensure that from the ward to the local government and state level, that all parties' offices are functional and physical habitable. In Senator Okpebholo's remark, Okpebholo hailed Abdullahi Ganduje and the governors-elect on the platform of the APC for the roles they played in his victory. So he also praised President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for securing the state and ensuring nobody was killed during the governorship election. So it wasn't an easy one, according to him. His victory wasn't an easy one as well. So he knew how many times the chairman called him and he came for the election, and his impact was great. Senator Okpebholo didn't fail to thank the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for securing the state and ensuring nobody was killed during the governorship election. So there was this kind of boast, according to him, that people would die. But on that election day, Senator Okpebholo said nobody died. That for him, the victory is something they in Edo State rejoice about, because a new dawn has come to Edo State and to the people as well. So a new dawn has risen. He wants to specially thank the working committee once more for the job well done, and he prayed that God gives all of them a long life and prosperity. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. As the transition committee in Edo State awaits the clarification of the stake owned by the Edo State government in the ownership of some properties, palpable fears has enveloped the government house over the outgoing governor's silence on Osiomo Power Plant, Edo Modular Refinery, and the Radisson Blu Hotel. The People Democratic Party and the incoming All Progressive Congress Committee held a joint session to discuss facts about the three companies. During the meeting, the PDP team promised to discuss the matter with Governor Godwin Obaseki. The APC team, which requested documents on the ownership and stake of the Edo State government in the project, were stunned when the government officials feigned ignorance in some mega project that cost taxpayers several billions of naira. A petition addressed to the Transition Committee and copied to the Economic and Financial Crime Commission is said to be unsettling Governor Godwin Obaseki, who will hand over to Senator Okpebholo in less than 2 weeks. So the petition signed by the Comrade Samuel Osawaru of the Edo Integrity Group is believed to be working from the Obaseki's team. The group stated that Quadrant Consolidated System Engineering Limited, allegedly owned by Owagbo Igehon and Mark Igehon, was being used for financial transactions, including receiving of revenues for themselves and on behalf of Osiomo Power Project from Edo State government coffers. Not only that, the group named Chinese Clean Energy and Telecom Company as the technical partner of the Osiomo Power Project. So disclosed that both the Chinese Clean Energy and Telecom Company were holding companies for the plant owners. It was also added that most Edo State government agencies paid their tariff to the Osiomo Power Plant through estimated billing. Still, the company has quickly resorted to the metering the government agencies since 21st September 2024, when PDP lost the election. Right now, the Edo Integrity Group, which stated that they are fighting corruption in Edo State, appealed to the Transition Committee and the EFCC to beam searchlight on the activities of Osiomo Power Plant, as a lot has happened there in the past few years. So in a related development, an anonymous letter that was addressed to the security agency indicated that Governor Godwin Obaseki over-acquired Edo Modular Refinery and Radisson Blu Hotel, funded with taxpayers' money but converted to private ownership. The letter urged the security agency to investigate the funding of both companies, which were from the Edo State government but not included as assets of Edo State in the ongoing handover note for the incoming administration. Not only that, my people, the petition writer also revealed that they were staff of the Edo State government and members of the PDP Transition Committee, but were not allowed to function as all documents and directives were from Governor Godwin Obaseki, mostly through telephone calls. So they called for a thorough investigation, stating that they resolved to disclose information because of their allegiances to the state and not to any individual. The owners of the American Dutch-based Radisson Blu were said to be uncomfortable with their brand being drawn into corruption allegations. So they have written several letters to the governor indicating a willingness to pull out of the partnership and franchise for integrity's sake. Radisson Blu Hotel are mainly located in major cities across Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. They are owned by Choice Hotel, Jinjen International, and Radisson Hotel Group, headquartered in the USA and Belgium. So the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Philip Shaibu, inspected the Radisson Blu Hotel site last month, indicating that the Edo State government was funding the project. But now, in a twist image, the government did not declare it the state property or capture it in their handover note to the Transition Committee. That be the cocoa now. So they want to know why Governor Godwin Obaseki no include them to the state ongoing handover book, because it was being funded with taxpayers' money. But why is it not included? My photo be so big. So because I go like make una chook mouth for this matter, make I know what you think about this issue in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned.